guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel! Today magro-grocery tayo ngayon. And kasama ko yung husband ko, my driver, shadow driver ko. And what else, Chan?
Yeah, isa.
Driver and what?
Cargador.
Cargador. Susunduin lang namin yung kapatid ko kasi gusto niyan sumama. And yun, I'll see you later. Yan, andito na tayo sa bahay ng sister ko. And ito siya ang this is my
Hello.
brother-in-law. Hi Suki, say hi to everyone. Hi Lek. Ayan. Gutom? Gutom? Is kasi naka-sale. So, kuha na ako dalawa. Pansit. $1.30
Uy,
na lang siya.
discounted.
Diba? Gusto mo?
Ay, di lang ko.
Hilig mo ka pansit.
Not really na.
Ito. Wala lang muna ka nito. Hindi naka-sales. Isa lang.
So this one is for me later.
Check out lang tayo, guys.
Check out tayo, all this stuff.
Pwede na ako maging bagger.
That's all.
Yeah.
That's 109. All done? All done. So 109.
109 lahat yun.
And then you just
Follow the pin-pad prompts to finalize your Woolworths Rewards card has been added. Do you wish to print your
card.
receipt? Follow the pin-pad prompts to finalize your
Okay.
Tempura prawn.
See.
Yum. Ito muna tayo sa fruit shop, ha?
Sa fruit shop, ha? Dito muna tayo, ha?
Okay na ito na.
Mm-mm.
Ikaw, gusto mo?
Oh, na.
Ang gusto ko dito sa fruit shop na to kasi meron silang mga sample. So, before ka makabili, alam mo kung matamis ba o hindi.
At saka masarap talaga yung mga fruits nila dito.
Oo. Ang sarap. Gusto mo? Then, punan ko ta.
Oo. So, natapos na tayo.
And guys, sinabihan kami na
Bawal
mag-video dito sa loob. The kids are busy eating. Kids, busy kayo magkain dyan. Busy? How is it? Can I have some? One each? Oh, thank you. Hindi ako sanay na itong dalawang to tahimik. Hi guys!
There you go.
Hello again!
Wash your hand.
We're on our way sa Indian restaurant to have dinner. And it's 6 o'clock. Dapat sana 6 o'clock kami magkikita doon. But tinawagan ko yung kapatid ko and they're still getting ready.
For a strike, subscribe it. Hit the notification bell and please share this family with your family and friends.
But ever since napunta ako dito, kasi dinila kami ng brother-in-law namin. Since then, kumakain ako ng Indian food. Masarap sila dito. And family friend ng brother-in-law ko yung may-ari dito. Ayan guys, we're finished.
There you go.
Ito ang pinakamasarap. Chili paneer, chili chicken, and butter chicken. That's really delicious. Yung beef, hindi masyado. This one, the chicken tikka masala, it's the best. Yeah, and we finished our naan bread. Ito. And yan guys, we're so full. How was the food, Yanni?
Good.
Chan?
Yeah, chicken tongue.
Alexa? How was the food? Very good. So, yan guys. We're finished and we're full. And we're gonna go... Where are we going after this? Asata. Saan tayo? Are we going to Kangaroo Point? Kangaroo Point. So, there you go. We're going to Kangaroo Point para maglakad-lakad, para medyo matunaw yung kinain namin. So yeah, we're going to Kangaroo Point and we'll show you what it looks like there. Parang park lang siya dito sa Brisbane. There you go. Alright, I'll see you later. Wow, we're here at Kangaroo Point. And here's my sister and also Suki. Oh my gosh.
What are you looking with? There.
Watch out! Oh, he's on the way.
My knees are hurting.
Oh
I think
no.
I'm really old now.
Balik pa dyan na ron. Yeah, kasi gusto mag-rock climbing dito.
There's no expression in him.
Dira.
We don't have expression in
Baka
him.
na snake. There might be a snake.
Oh no.
There will be.
Remember we saw
yeah, nice.
really big one. I'm tired. By the way guys, dito si Pacquiao, si Manny Pacquiao nung pumunta siya ng Brisbane para mag-fight kay Horn. Dito siya nag-training. 200 meters.
Let's see the lizard, Mama. I want to see the lizard.
Are you still full?
I want to see the lizard,
Yeah.
Mama.
Wait, you